here's going to be our broccoli tree. Not that it's a tree, it just, well, if you eat broccoli and you point it on your plate and say, well, I'm eating a tree because it looks like one. It has a trunk and branches with little leaves growing on the end. But it's actually from the cabbage family. And it's native to the Mediterranean area and Asia Minor. The Italians considered it very valuable, but when they brought it to England in the mid-18th century, the British called it Italian asparagus. And in the United States, it was not popular until the 1920s. It can grow annually or biannually, 60 to 90 centimeters tall, and they thrive in a cool climate. You can either plant seeds into the field or use transplants. And besides for being delicious, which has many ways of being cooked and served, it can be eaten raw, or parboiled, a salad, or cooked in any kind of dish. Really very versatile. Has a lot of vitamins and health benefits. It's an excellent source of vitamin K, vitamin C, chromium, and folate. It's a very good source of fiber, pantothenic acid, vitamin B6, vitamin E, manganese, phosphorus, choline, vitamin B1, vitamin A, potassium, and copper. That's a lot. That's one vegetable with a lot of things. Wow. And not only that, it also has vitamin B1, magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, zinc, calcium, iron, niacin, and selenium. That's like a real load. So I'm glad I enjoy this vegetable. I suppose it's best if it's not totally cooked out. The vitamins are probably best preserved if they're not completely destroyed. But you can enjoy it many ways. And here I put down white first, and then I added some layers of green on top to show the small branches coming out. The rounded areas with shadows in between. And to make this whole clustery situation of fake leaves on top. So I'm basically just tapping paint in dots all over in the general shape of like those rounded shapes. And I'm starting with a dark color first, a very dark blackish green. And we'll continue touching that up with lighter colors to give that mottled look of light and dark green and shadowy areas inside. Now, the health benefits of broccoli are that it can prevent cancer, improve digestion, lower cholesterol levels, detoxify, and maximize vitamin and mineral uptake. That's probably just because it has so many of them. It also prevents allergic reactions, boosts the immune system, protects the skin, lowers blood pressure, eliminates inflammation, and improves vision and eye health. So if you never tried broccoli until now, and you are scared of eating a whole tree, pick up a package next time you're at the grocery and find a good recipe. There's a lot you can do with it, and even if you don't like the taste plain, you can dress it up a little and it can do wonders. So here you see I'm putting in all those lighter colors now. Some areas just with white to pick up the color underneath, and some areas with light green. And it sort of looks like a bunch of pom-poms together, but those are those little tiny leafy things. The word broccoli comes from Italian word broccolo, which means the flowering crest of a cabbage. This reminds me of like bronchioles or bronchiolitis, because it's like broccolini also. So broccolo, broccoli, and broccolini. I guess these are all Italian words and they have their own grammar and usage. So we'll just touch it up. We'll give it a 3D look, the bottom and the side. So that it looks sort of cylindrical, like a tree trunk. And this is not really the only shade of green. It could be more yellowish green sometimes. So whatever color comes out on your palette, you can use, from light green to dark green and in between. And I hope you enjoyed watching, and all the more so I hope you enjoy when you try eating it. And have a great day. Enjoy your broccoli.